Hi, this is Asian Zen Beauty. We specialize in providing mind, body, spirit healing to support you. The best time to meditate is right after waking up or before going to sleep. Practice consistently for 7 days, and you will feel inner peace and experience a transformation in your life. This is a meditation for healing wealth trauma and connecting with abundance. Through powerful money affirmations, it will help you unblock your wealth channels and allow the infinite wealth of the universe to flow toward you. Please adjust to a comfortable sitting position, and when you're ready, slowly close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Yes. Once more, gently inhale and slowly exhale. Pay attention to your breath. Each inhale brings fresh oxygen into your body, and each exhale expels negative emotions. Give yourself permission to fully relax your body and mind. Good. Let your breathing return to a relaxed, natural state, and slowly bring your awareness back to your body, quietly enjoying this moment of peace. Very good. Now you are completely relaxed. Next, the words I'm about to say will help your subconscious change its attitude toward money. Please remain fully open and let go of all judgments within. You can silently repeat after me or just listen quietly. I am abundant. I am wealthy. I can achieve financial freedom. Money and wealth always flow to me effortlessly. Thank you, for there is so much wealth flowing toward me from the infinite space of the universe. I can feel the energy of wealth flowing through my body, constantly releasing all my biases and limiting beliefs about money. Money is a very positive thing for me. Thank you, money, for allowing me to experience more abundance and beauty in this world, for allowing my family to live a more prosperous life, for bringing more joy to those around me. I thank the universe for making me an abundant and wealthy person. I choose abundance. I choose wealth. I choose freedom. I choose money to support everything I want. I am grateful that money keeps flowing to me continuously and proactively. I can feel this powerful wealth energy constantly cleansing and healing me. I can feel changes happening in my body: abundance, vitality, passion, confidence, and courage. These positive and active energies are being activated within me. My life is undergoing transformation and rebirth. I am grateful for the energy of wealth at this moment, constantly deepening, deeper and deeper, comprehensively deepening. I am grateful that you have always helped me grow through hard work and through wealth challenges. You have shaped my wisdom and strength. You have made me understand that to gain wealth, I must create value. The more people I help and support, the more wealth I will have. I thank the benefactors who have appeared and will appear for the wealth and opportunities that flow to me smoothly and joyfully through them. I will continue to grow and become a trustworthy conduit for wealth. And through me, it will flow to more people, creating even more abundance through its circulation. During a difficult time, I found some videos that provided me with direction and calm. I hope this content brings you the same comfort and reminds you that you're not alone. For more, click the link in the comments below.